everyone, welcome back to my channel and hope you all doing well. So today I have a huge grocery shopping haul to share with you that I have ordered online. Also I am going to show you how I disinfect and clean all my groceries bases during this quarantine and lockdown situation. So this is the first time we are using Instacart and it's pretty good. I mean I ordered the groceries in the evening and next day morning is delivered to home. So it's so quick and convenient. So I like it. Once they deliver the grocery, the first thing is my husband cleans each and every packet with the disinfecting wipes and then we just let it sit there in my garage for a while. Then first I will keep all the frozen and refrigerator stock in the refrigerator. After that I will wash all the veggies again and I will keep the other stock there in the garage that I don't need right away or no need to keep in the refrigerator. Those things will keep here for 2 to 3 days as it is. So this is all what I got this time, especially the veggies and fruits kind of shopping and few other stuff. So here I got one baking powder, one candle jar, jalapeno bottle, then salad dressing like ranch, Thousand Island, and then here I have pancake maple syrup, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and one Ziploc bag and an aluminum foil too. And here the veggies, here I have the mushroom, 2 packets of mushroom, 2 bags of carrots, cilantro, then 3 bags of spinach, potatoes, onions, and here I have packet of zucchini, broccoli, asparagus, and here I have few frozen veggies like green beans, peas, mixed vegetables, all those things. Then I got 1 bag of fresh beans, lemon, cabbage, and here I have 2 lettuce, eggplants, and then lots of tomatoes, 2 cauliflower and a packet of green pepper. And here I got 4 boxes of eggs like 2 white egg and 2 brown eggs. And here I got 1 whole chicken, 1 large packet of chicken breast and 1 tilapia fish packet. And here I got few boxes of strawberries, 1 large cucumber, 1 bag of mini cucumber, then mango, bananas, apple. And here I got 4 boxes of fruit snacks gummies. I ordered this one from Sam's Club and my kids loves to eat this and this is the only brand it comes without gelatin, so I ordered little more in quantity but it will go more than 2 months. Then here I got chocolate powder, then milk like 2 whole regular milk and 2 organic almond milk, then cheese, 2 bags of oranges, then buns, bread and soft drinks, Coke. And this is pretty much all that I got this time. Only few boxes are still on the way that I ordered from Sam's Club like cereal boxes, some this, that other stuff. So after disinfect everything, all the packets and boxes with disinfecting wipes, I kept the frozen and refrigerator stuff like milk, cream, cheese in the refrigerator. And now I am cleaning the eggs in the warm water and throwing out the boxes. So before throwing any boxes or packet, make sure to write down the expiration date if there is any. Now for cleaning veggies and fruits, here I am using the baking soda and turmeric powder, like 1 spoon of baking soda and spoon of turmeric powder mixing in the hot water and then adding the veggies into it and let it soak there for 2 to 3 minutes and then clean it properly and transfer it to another bowl of fresh hot water and keep it there for a minute and then take it out and let it dry properly and then store it and make sure to change the water in between. is pretty much done. It took so much time to clean and dry all these things, but as per the situation now we need to do this. So this is all for today's video. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.